Hi and welcome back. In this lesson you will learn what is leverage trading and how does it work. So leverage refers to using borrowed funds to make bigger profits, and it amplifies your buying or selling power, allowing you to trade with more money than you actually have in your wallet. The amount of leverage is described as ratio, such as 5x, 10x, 20x, 50x, and so on, up to 100x, and even higher in some cases. Basically, this shows you how many times your money is multiplied. So, for example, imagine that you have $10 in your account and you want to open a position worth of $100 in Bitcoin. So with a 10x leverage, you can do that because your $10 will have the same buying power as $100. Okay, now let's see an example of a long or buy position. So when you open a long position, you expect the price of an asset to go up. So imagine you want to buy 1000 worth of Bitcoin with 10x leverage. This means that you will need $100 as collateral. Now, if the price of Bitcoin goes up 10%, you will earn $100, which is much higher than the $10 you would have made if you traded without using leverage. However, if the Bitcoin price drops or goes down 10%, your position will be liquidated and you will lose your $100. And in most cases, the exchange will send you an email before the liquidation happens. Okay, so the next position is the short or sell position, where you believe the price of an asset will go down this time. So again, imagine that you want to open a short position of $1000 worth of Bitcoin with 10x leverage, and your collateral is $100. Now, if the price of Bitcoin goes down 10%, you will double your money, which is much better than losing $10 with spot trading. However, if the Bitcoin price rises or goes up 10%, your position will be liquidated and you will lose your money. So at this point, it should be clear to you that leverage trading is a double-edged sword that can multiply both your gains and losses, and involves a high level of risk. So please remember, the higher the leverage, the higher the risk of getting liquidated. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video where I will show you how to use leverage trading on Binance.